prospect mo? Conservation ba or expansion? Dalawa na. Kaya nasabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayo magtipid. Conservation mode yan. Magtipid. But I'm not saying magsaya tayo. Tipid-tipid. Pangit ang magtipid. Yan. Ano huwag magsaya? Sagana. Ano kailangan mo? Meron. Diba? O, huwag ka magsaya. Ibang usapan yan. Pero yung Diyos, pati ba naman plastic? Itago mo. Kasi gamitin mo sa basura. Dalawang version na yun. You know, I grew up, yung mentality ng scarcity kawalan, kahirapan. It's a disease. If you don't get out of there, talagang unconscious ka, dalagang yan. Pero nais mo, masinso, di ba? And then you see these things. Hala, umarangkada yung presyo ng gasolina, ang mahal ng bigas. Problema nyo, kumita kayo mas malaki. And when people hear me talk this way, nagkagalit, nag-viral yung mga videos ko. When I talk about money is never lose. You never lose money, guys. You don't. You just make choices. It takes a different one. Oh, you want to experience not having to make your coffee and sit in a cozy environment? Punta ka sa Starbucks. Diba? Social ka. Pag sweldo mo, Starbucks ka. Pag medyo di peligro, saan ka na? City Blends ka. 3-in-1 ka na. Eh, part na experience yan. Until you finally get it, that you create your experience. So, do you like the experience you're getting? Are you happy with what you're making? If not, very good. Kasi if you're happy with what you're making, kaya talaga tayo sa sales yan. Ang dali-dali, tama.